got the downstairs. Oh, it smells like cat piss. Oh, God. This is where the bodies are buried. There's a fucking gym thing in here. Oh, my Lord. Got all that. This is where the shit is. This is where the animals are. I think fur. Oh, God. This is where the smell is. Got more in here. More in there. Got everything in here. Got some workout equipment. Some beers. Got a fucking sauna back there, dude. Are you gonna leave the sauna? Holy shit, there's a fucking sauna in here. And there's a closet full of stuff, I guarantee. See if this thing's full. Oh, God. Why'd I open that thing? What's in here? All this. Truckloads in there. Okay, well, this thing fucking stinks, dude. All this. This is a big job. What you got downstairs? And out of the dungeon.